What's up, y'all? Just a quick one today. I did work with the modeling in the 3D printer today. I actually modeled up like a really cool uh, faceplate to go with the welding goggles I've got. But then the 3D printer was having some problems. I gotta fix a stepper motor or something, I think. But yeah, so I didn't get started to print. It's a big print. It's like 2 hours and 9 minutes or something like that, and it's gonna use half a kilo, I think, of plastic. That sounds really heavy. That's like a little over a pound. But I've got a different idea. So I'll probably keep that model, and then once I get the printer going again, print out one of those in like a crazy color or something like that. I can make all designs on it and stuff like that. I could um, do whatever I wanted, but I'm gonna jerry rig something up. Yeah, peace.